What's up everybody, Brendan Hebert here, Berkshire Hathaway and the Atlas Maverick Group. Today we are in the perfect starter home right here in Oshawa. Dave's got all the details inside, so go on and check it out.
Welcome to the heart of this home. Beautiful grand room with 15-foot ceilings, an open line of sight to watch the kids as they play. Lovely updated kitchen, brand new cabinets and countertops, all new sinks, light fixtures. Very bright concept. This house is lovely.
So if you want to make this your next Maverick move,
Slide into my DMs today.